Ever since the first buffalo wings were created, way back in 1964 at the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, America has adopted the combo of wing sauce and blue cheese on just about everything. So today, we're making deviled eggs with a buffalo-style twist. As typical, we start out by cooking some eggs, and once they're hard-boiled, we drain them, shock them with some ice, which will help them peel easier, and remove the shells. After they're peeled, we cut each egg in half lengthwise and remove the yolks, like this. Now we mash it with a fork until they're super smooth. To that, we add some blue cheese dressing and a bit of buffalo wing sauce. Once this is all mixed well, we spoon or pipe it into each half of the egg until all the filling is used up. Some crumbled blue cheese goes on top and they're ready to serve. Just wait until everyone goes nuts when you set out a platter of these fun change of pace favorites. And so you don't miss out on all the oohs and ahs, all you have to do is visit our website and get the recipe for what we call buffalo-style deviled eggs. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a wing-dinger of a way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.